Welcome to Luxorium, your cozy corner for elevated living. Here, quiet luxury feels effortless. Warm palettes, refined textures, and smart design choices that make every room breathe. Expect practical breakdowns, behind-the-scenes insights, and timeless styling secrets you can actually use. Settle in, explore, and let's craft a home that whispers elegance. Sink into this living room like it's a soft exhale, warm taupe walls, boucle sofa, and that creamy limestone hearth quietly pulling focus. The bronze trims catch late daylight just enough to feel special, not showy, while clay pink accents keep things fresh and grounded with texture. Everything whispers calm luxury, not a shout. A foyer that doesn't beg for attention, just earns it with micro-cement floors, ribbed oak panels, and a slim bronze-lined tracing edges like a signature. The console stays sculptural, storage invisible, light warm and welcoming without drama, and every detail points inward, guiding the home's soft, refined rhythm. This dining room wants good stories and long pauses. Oval marble catching candle glow, camel nubuck chairs that almost hug you, and a terracotta lime wash wall adding quiet earthiness. The linear alabaster chandelier feels effortless, while smoked oak and fluted glass keep the mood curated, not precious. Understated but deeply considered. The kitchen feels confident without flexing. Monolithic travertine island, ribbed oak, integrated everything and veining soft as a breath. The palette connects back to the living and dining, so it feels like one composed sentence across rooms. Lights are tucked away. Function is seamless. Elegance just happens. This butler's pantry is the house's best-kept secret: travertine counters, fluted glass, bronze mesh, and quiet 2700K glow that flatters every surface. It extends the kitchen's story, just more intimate, more focused, more serene. Everything has a place and everything looks like it belongs there. The family lounge leans into comfort. Chocolate velvet, layered rugs, gentle light, and a limestone fire that warms the room without stealing the scene. Oak panels hide acoustics. The palette stays cohesive with soft gray and clay notes. It's the room that welcomes slow evenings and easy weekends. The library breathes in a deeper register: walnut, navy grass cloth, camel leather, and a silk rug that softens footsteps and thoughts alike. Light glows from alabaster, never rushing, never loud. It feels like focus meets comfort, where every material earns its place. The home office trims the noise and lets ideas land. Oak desk with a sharp bronze edge, ribbed credenza, and a warm off-white that plays kind to daylight. The pinboard in taupe wool is practical but pretty. The shelves glow just a touch for mood. Clean, calm, capable. The primary bedroom floats: camel suede panels, linen and warm off-white, and a clay pink throw that feels like a quiet smile. Bronze edges glint softly, drapery filters daylight to a hush, and every line says, "Rest here, breathe deeper." Luxury tuned for peace. The wardrobe feels like stepping into resolve. Smoked oak, fluted glass, bronze frames, and a travertine island keeping center. Lighting flatters tones and textures, mirrors expand without shouting, and while underfoot softens every decision. It's order but beautiful. The secondary bedroom picks up the home's language: soft gray, off-white, and a terracotta wink to keep warmth alive. Boucle meets ribbed oak, linen meets micro-cement, and the whole thing lands in that sweet spot between ease and polish. Familiar yet freshly its own. The media room settles into charcoal and cocoa, thick wool, low seating, and acoustic panels with fine bronze reveals like tailored stitching. Lighting drops to a gentle 3000K glow so the space feels cocooned, not cave-like. Moody in the best, most intentional way. The sunroom is the home exhaling. Linen sheers, cane textures, travertine, and terracotta pulling warmth through the light. Off-white micro-cement keeps things airy, while oak ceiling slats make it feel crafted and calm. It's where the day stretches and softens at the edges. Out back, the terrace completes the circle: travertine pavers, bronze frame tables, taupe seating, and ribbed oak overhead tying exterior to interior. Lighting stays gentle at dusk, planters in terracotta echo the palette, and the whole space feels collected, not curated. Quiet luxury under open sky. Today's key takeaways: layered neutrals, tactile contrast, refined lighting, and consistent materials create a seamless high-end flow. Keep lines clean, hardware subtle, and styling intentional. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more weekly design deep dives, and drop a comment with your next room challenge. Luxorium is here to help.